Hi, I'm Tijmen and I'm a front-end developer at 𝗚𝗚𝗧. I'm working on two different websites. I'm working on the 𝗚𝗚𝗧 website and I'm creating the whole website from scratch. And I'm also working on the Dallas Airport, which is an existing website. And I'm working on new features such as shuttle tracking, where you can track a shuttle that's going to the different terminals, and POI data list. POI data list is the place of interest in the terminals, like shops or restaurants. Git is a version control management system which you can use to make different copies of your website so that you can develop new features without touching the live website. At 𝗚𝗚𝗧 we use Git at every project because it's a standard in software development. I use Git for creating a copy of the website so that I can develop a new feature for the website. So for example, if I develop a shuttle tracking feature, then I will create a branch from the main branch and I can develop the feature in that branch without touching the code of the live website. And then if the feature is done, I can use it to merge this code back into the live website. My favorite tip is to use Git rebase. With Git rebase, you can literally rewrite the history of your branch. So this means that you can go back to a previous change and edit some mistakes or some errors and then integrate it again in your branch. And then this history will be rewritten and nobody will ever see that that mistake was ever there. Another great Git feature is Git bisect. With Git bisect, you can compare different versions of your history to find a bug that's somewhere along the way sneaked in your code. So it makes it easy to find this bug and exactly know what you need to fix. Git is used by all developers. It's a versioning system that can be used on all aspects of software development, so back-end, front-end, or even DevOps.